Hi there, I'm the boss baby of all things digital, and I got something to say. Markers are fun. You can draw squiggles, stick people, and sometimes even a car. And dry erase boards, great for snack schedules and doodles for kids, but car dealerships need real tools. Digital leaderboards show sales, service, and BDC stats in real time. No more who changed my numbers drama or a Monday meeting just to figure out what happened last Wednesday. Those reports might as well be older than I am, and I still use a high chair. So yeah, leave the markers to me. You run your dealership like a grown-up with digital dealership system.
Because guessing is for Sesame Street, not your dealership.
Now let's talk about the customer lounge. You've got full-grown adults sitting there watching basic cable like it's 2007. One guy's watching weather for a city he doesn't even live in. Another lady's watching court shows and thinking about lunch. Nobody's learning about service specials. Nobody's hearing about trade-in offers. Meanwhile, I'm over here watching Coco Melon and learning shapes, which is more than your lounge TV is doing. Get a screen that actually sells something. Customer Lounge TV from Digital Dealership System gives your customers something useful to look at that isn't Judge Judy screaming about a missing lawn chair. And don't even get me started on the service drive. I roll in for an oil change and your menu is a faded printout taped to a desk like it's a preschool art project. How am I supposed to know what to buy? Guess? You've got upsells hiding in a drawer and your team winging it like they're ordering at a drive-thru. The service drive menu board shows clear options, pricing, and promos right on screen. It's like a kid's menu, easy to read, and everything looks like something I want. But it's for adults who want to get good service. You keep letting customers stare at the wall. You keep letting advisors guess. And you keep letting Rick in sales rewrite his numbers with a marker he stole from the service department. Meanwhile, I'm over here drinking formula and fixing your store one screen at a time.
Check out the website for more details and use the link to book a call with my digital sign dad.
Bye-bye.